Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the CapCut templates not showing. So here's what you need to do if you can see the template button in the CapCut, in your CapCut. So you can just find the templates on TikTok or on Google if you don't have a TikTok account. So here I'm going to show you. I'm going to open the TikTok apps. So here what you need to do is just click on the search icon at the top right corner and then just type in CapCut template. Okay, and after that you'll see there are lots of CapCut templates that you can use. So for example, I'm going to use this one, and what you need to do to use it, just click on this button, CapCut try this template, and click on the use template in CapCut. Then you'll easily found the CapCut, the template on CapCut, and you can just use it freely. Okay, just wait for it to open. Okay, you can just use template, and after that just download the video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like. Thanks, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.